Yay! I am so excited because today we have an unboxing of something that I said I wasn't gonna buy. You know, when things are on sale, your mind can change. Basically needed a good bag that is tiny, but it looks polished. And I've been looking, I found this one from Prada that I really liked, but then when I thought about it and I cover up the little triangle logo, it's not worth the price. And the price increases, we know, have been crazy, and this was on sale. Okay, so this is from Forward, and this was actually marked down a lot. And here is the bag. It is from By Far, and as you can see, it has a little dust bag, and it's, I think, just what I was looking for, so I'm excited. Ooh, okay, here it is. So this is the By Far, I think, right, here she is, and as you can see, it is in this really nice shiny leather, which is what I wanted because I have a bag, a much bigger bag in this shiny, and I think this is actually big enough for a phone, and I will show what fits. I have an iPhone 12. It looks like it could, oh, okay, it does not fit. You could do that. The only thing, why does this smell so bad? Okay, but it just has a magnet and then you just open it. Kind of hard to open. It doesn't really have a lot of bend, but on the inside it is lined in like a suede. There's no pockets and it's just a small mini bag. And then it does come with a crossbody strap, which is nice. I did get this at a half off price, which is good. But let me go check in the mirror really quick because I want to see how this looks against my height. For the price, I just don't need this. It's really cute, but the handle, I think the proportion is kind of bothering me. Another thing I noticed here is that the handle where the leather is wrapped around, and you can kind of see in the lighting, is really crinkled and warped, and with time this will probably crack, especially since it's the area where this is like the most used. So that is something to note. Also, this bag smells. I don't know if it's because of the semi-patent coating, and it's nice, but I just don't think it's practical, and it just looks kind of funny on me, both crossbody and just holding it, because if I'm honest, it kind of looks like a $15 bag from Target. It's nice because it is unbranded, but personally, I need a little bit more zhuzh. So I'm gonna return this for sure. It's one of the reasons I don't really like top handle bags, because whenever you're trying to get stuff out, you have to really like fiddle. I mean, even right now the smell is giving me a headache, so I'm gonna put it down. That's gonna go back. Wow, this is a way shorter video than I thought, and I'm just not in love with it. I think when you buy a bag like this, you should just, oh my gosh, like wow. And that's why I don't have too many luxury bags, because I don't want to just buy anything. And this is kind of fills that just anything category. There's nothing too wow about it. So this is gonna be returned. And that is my full-on honest reaction. This is not how I thought the video was gonna go. I thought I was gonna be in love with it. Back to the drawing board, I guess. No. Oh, even the smell right now, I can't take it. I don't know what they used for this.